Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Lin. I've been a gynecologist for over 20 years. I've seen thousands of women experience loss of sensation in the most intimate area, especially after childbirth. This is a very common issue. That's why I created MD Intimate Restore. It's a light, fragrance-free serum. There are about 8,000 nerve endings in the labia and the clitoral region. The serum is designed to not only make the skin healthier looking, but to help restore those nerve endings. It's easy to use. Just apply a few drops over the labia and the clitoral area every night after cleansing. In a matter of days, you'll notice the skin looks younger in terms of moisture, firmness, and texture. And the best of all is the improvement of sensation, just like in your 20s. This formula uses cutting-edge stem cell technology and also natural plant extracts necessary for rejuvenation and anti-aging for the intimate area. Go ahead, give it a try, and you'll see why Intimate Restore is giving thousands of women their sexy back.